Hello, Chef here. Once again, another recipe for you. This is going to be basic beef stew with a twist. So first thing I want to show you is the meat that I purchased and why. So this is USDA choice grade select. Basically it's beef round steak. It's been chopped up into squares, but the reason I selected it out of the other packages is the marbling looks really nice. Not too much fat, just a really nice marbling in here. This particular meat was $4.50 per pound. Okay, so the first step is you need to select a good boning knife like this, and the boning knife will allow you to clean the meat and, more importantly, cut the meat very uniform. This piece is different than this piece. They will cook very differently. So what I'm going to do is make them all into approximately a large dice, maybe an inch and a half or so, like that. Just about like this size. That's what I'm looking for, okay? Oh, the butcher's tricky. There's a really small one, and there's a large one. So we need to make them approximately uniform so they cook evenly. And look at this. What do I got here? Inedible silver skin. You want to use the tip of your knife and remove the good meat from the sinew silver skin part right there, okay? This is good. This is dog food right there, okay? Very, very tough. Your knife won't even barely puncture this. It's so tough. Really, really tough stuff. Don't try to chew on this. You'll choke. Okay, now you can see by looking at this beef, I've got more uniform edible sizes, bite sizes, not huge, not small, just really nice pieces. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you a real quick wet rub, and we're going to get this beef marinated, and then the next video I'm going to actually prepare the stew. Okay, here we go. So the beef is ready to go. I'm going to make a really quick wet rub for you, basically a marinade. I'm going to show you just a quick shortcut on how you can marinate this beef and make it more tender. So I'm going to be using a few ingredients here today for the wet rub. First thing is extra virgin olive oil. We're going to put just a couple tablespoons of that in there. And then the next thing, a splash of golden balsamic vinegar. This is going to help tenderize the meat. Okay? Another thing I like to use from time to time is this liquid smoke. It adds a nice smoky taste, and it's a natural product. Just a few drops. Liquid smoke is made from smoked meats. It's the real deal. I like this, okay? Next, we're going to be putting 2 tablespoons of house seasoning, and that is a blend of all different spices and herbs. Oh yeah, Hawaiian sea salt, pink sea salt. Gotta have salt on your meat. Okay, next we're going to be putting 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a little bit of rosemary, and last ingredient, you've not seen this probably. What are those? Green peppercorns. Wow, they're strong. These ones come in brine. I believe they're from Spain. Check it out. I'm squeezing it. It's soft. Really good. Nice bite, nice flavor. Instead of using black pepper or white pepper, I decided to put these green peppercorns. You can smash them up if you'd like. The flavor is going to come out in the stew. It doesn't much matter. I just wanted to show them to you. They're going to be good. Okay, so that pretty much is my wet marinade right there. I'm going to use a pair of tongs. Give a little stir like this. Oh, that looks good. Yeah. Okay, now the meat gets tossed in. and we're going to just work it in so the flavor comes all the way around. Basic beef stew with a wet rub marinade. End grain maple butcher block. Wonderful surface for cutting, chopping, and cooking on.